Hi there, I'm Glenn Rudin. They call me the Message Master because I specialize in helping my clients and your students improve your communication skills and get crystal clear. If you're seeing this video, it's because you've gotten an email from me, and it's because I'd love to be appearing on your campus and helping your students with their communication skills. I've got a number of different exciting keynotes that I perform, and each one of them is based on helping your students move from where they are now to a better place to improve their career outcomes. One of them is called Pitch for Prizes, which is part game show, part lecture. I call it edutainment, where your students will actually learn how to do a proper personal pitch. And then they will go on, some of them, to compete for real prizes, real valuable prizes, based on how well they perform their pitches in front of their fellow students. The second one is called the breakthrough interview, where I really want to teach your students not only how to put together a better resume, but I also want to teach them how to bring their resumes to life by creating great stories based on the experiences they've already had in their lives. That's the breakthrough interview. And the third one that I'm featuring right now is called It's Time to Stop Procrastinating. Recently, when I appeared at a college conference in front of about 300 students and asked for a show of hands, how many people procrastinate, 90% of the people in the audience said they did, and they didn't know why. So It's Time to Stop Procrastinating is meant to highlight exactly the different kinds of procrastination that your students might be suffering from, and different ways and methods for how they might get over them. Of course, all of my keynotes are completely customizable for you and your campus, depending on the number of students that might be attending and what you're really looking to accomplish with your students. But at the end of the day, the most important thing to me is that every student improve their skills and improve their outcomes for a better career right out of the gate from your college or university. I'd love to talk to you further about how my keynotes can be benefiting your students right now, and I'd love to be appearing on your campus this fall or this spring. My name is Glenn Rudin. I'm the Message Master, and I look forward to interacting with you, connecting with you, and speaking with you about how I can help you and your students obtain the best possible chance for career success by improving their communication skills. Thanks for taking the time. I look forward to being in touch with you soon.